Secretary Sir, Principal Man, Honorable our Vice Principal Sri Ajit Singh Sir, a man of strict discipline, fascinating pursuit of excellence. He is really commendable. My dear teachers who are my friends, the members of management and my dear beloved students, today I am deeply honored to stand in front of you to express my views on the occasion of Teachers' Day. It will be a great privilege for me to be a part of this esteemed institution. Today is the day for teachers, and I pay my gratitude to all the teachers who played directly or indirectly vital role in my life. I salute them. I am highly obliged to them forever. There is a special reason why do we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September, because it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who had great love for the teacher, respect for the teachers. He was a great scholar, a statesman, philosopher, and most importantly, a great teacher. He became the second president of India in 1962. His students loved him very much, so they gathered together and proposed to celebrate his birthday. But he humbly refused and told them to dedicate that very day to the teachers. This shows his great love for teachers and teaching profession. Since then, his students all around India have been celebrating 5th September as Teachers' Day. According to Radhakrishnan, teachers are the strong pillars of the society who are always ready to help their students, who they should be respected as a guiding light, who show a true path of wisdom and knowledge. Teachers are the real heroes. They are the best friend of the students. Radhakrishnan says teachers are the backbone who nurture the minds of the future generation, train them to face the predicament of life in any difficult situation, also teaches them good manners. It is the day to honor our teachers for their hard work, dedication and passion for the teaching profession. They are really commendable. There is a slogan in Sanskrit dedicated to the teachers. Guru Brahma, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Guru is Brahma, the creator of this world. Guru is Vishnu, the preserver of this world. Guru is Maheshwar, Lord Shiva, the destroyer of this world. Guru Sakshat Param Brahma means Guru is Supreme God. Guru is Almighty God. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah means I bow my head into the feet of that teacher. Dr. Abdul Kalam said that when a teacher enters his class, he not only radiates knowledge, but he radiates the purity of life. Purity of life means how to live He also said that the teacher sets the character, caliber, and future of the student. He told that if people will remember him as a teacher, it will be a great honor for him. You might have heard the name of Nelson Mandela, who was the crusader of South Africa and faced racial discrimination, the policy of apartheid. He was awarded by India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 1990. He told about the teacher. Teaching education is the most powerful weapon by dint of which we can change the whole world. Change the whole world. And the teacher played a vital role in it. बच्चों, चाणक्य ने कहा था कि एक साधारण व्यक्ति नहीं होता. A teacher is not an ordinary man. प्रलय और निर्माण टीचर के गोद में पलते हैं. कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन फ्लोरिश इन द लैप ऑफ द टीचर. और अंत में आपसे यही कहूंगा कि अपने गुरुजनों को ओबे करिए, सम्मान करिए, फॉलो करिए. और एक शायरी से अपने स्पीच का दूंगा. नौसिखिए परिंदों को बाज बनाता हूँ, नौसिखिए परिंदों को बाज सुनता हूँ शिकायतें सबकी, तब की आवाज बनाता हूँ. समुंदर भी परख